So now we will start British East India Company struggle with Marathas. Marathas. See, when Mughal Empire was declining in Deccan and Saurashtra region, one another dynasty was emerging, which is called as Maratha. And Maratha basically emerged by revolt. That is called that is why we called as an rebellion state. Rebellion state. Rebellion state. We have discussed all these three states: succession state, rebellion state, and partial autonomy state, but it was emerged by revolt. That is why we called as an rebellion state. Maratha dynasty became as an formidable power when role of Peshwas were improved. Formidable power when Peshwa when Peshwa role improved. So now we will see some contributions of Peshwas. The first Peshwa is Balaji Vishwanath. Balaji Vishwanath. Balaji Vishwanath signed one treaty with Maratha chief and took responsibility for further expansion of Maratha territory. Took responsibility of expansion. And Balaji Vishwanath signed one another treaty with Mughal, and Mughal acknowledged sovereign right of Maratha in Deccan and Saurashtra region, and also Mughal Empire given to collect Chauth and Sardesh Mughi from these regions. First is acknowledge sovereign right, and second given permission to collect Chauth and Sardesh Mukhi. Chauth was as an tax of Maratha dynasty, which was collected from these territory which were not part of Maratha territory, but for avoid Maratha depredation, they were giving Chauth to Maratha dynasty. So Chauth was as an tax for avoid Maratha depredation. And when we talk about Sardesh Mukhi was another tax of Maratha dynasty which were collecting from these regions which are also part of Maratha dynasty, but Maratha dynasty was not controlling directly to these regions. It was controlled by their assistants. Maratha territory and controlled by assistants. So this is difference between Chauth and Sardeshmukhi. Chauth from these territory which were not part of Maratha dynasty, and Sardeshmukhi from these territory which were also part of Maratha territory. This is difference between Chauth and Sardeshmukhi. And by average of Mughal permission, Maratha assure Mughal Empire for help if Mughal Empire will attack by another power. Assured for help. So this treaty was very advantageous for Maratha dynasty. That is why one British national, Richard Temple, called its Magna Carta of Maratha. Richard Temple, Magna Carta of Maratha. So this was contribution of Balaji Vishwanath. Now we will see Baji Rao. See, in time period of Baji Rao, Maratha expansion was in climax, and his statement was very famous. Expansion in climax. And one statement of his very famous, and that statement was for Mughal Empire. He said, let us strike in this hollow tree, branches of these tree will fall down themselves, and we will plant Maratha flag from Krishna river to Attock, situated in Pakistan. Statement was very famous, and statement was, again I am telling you, let us strike in this hollow tree, branches of tree will fall down themselves, and we will plant Maratha flag from Krishna river to Attock. So this was very famous statement of Baji Rao, and this and from here question asked in many time. Next Peshwa was Balaji Vishwanath first, and after Balaji Vishwanath, Baji Rao first, and after Baji Rao first, Baji Rao first became as an Peshwa, and in time period of Baji Rao first, third battle of Panipat was started, and it was started between Ahmad Shah Abdali and with alliance of Marathas, and in alliance was considered with Jat, Sikh, Rajput, Marathas, but later on Jat, Sikh, Rajput withdrawn from their alliance. Third battle of Panipat and alliance Maratha Maratha with Ahmad Shah Abdali. Ahmad Shah Abdali. And in this battle, Maratha was defeated from Ahmad Shah Abdali, and this war was very harmful for Marathas. And next Peshwa was Madhav Rao. Madhav Rao. Madhav Rao was another Peshwa. Madhav Rao was another important Peshwa of Maratha dynasty, and he regained all these conditions of Maratha dynasty in Deccan and Saurashtra region. Regain condition, and in his death Grand Tough statement was very famous. Grand Tough statement was very famous. Grand Tough said, death of Madhav Rao is more harmful compared to loss from third battle of Panipat. So this was a statement of Grand Tough. And after Madhav Rao, Narayan Rao became as an Peshwa, but Narayan Rao was assassinated by his uncle Raghunath Rao. Assassinated by Raghunath Rao. And after assassination, Raghunath Rao declared as an Peshwa. But his declaration was illegal. That is why after Narayan Rao, Savai Madhav Rao was appointed as an Peshwa. Savai Madhav Rao. And for advice to Savai Madhav Rao, 12 Maratha chiefs were appointed. 12 Maratha chief were appointed and popularly known as Bara Bhai. And Bara Bhai led by Nana Fadnavis. Led by Nana Fadnavis. Despite these incidents, Raghunath Rao was wanting to become as an Peshwa. So that is why Raghunath Rao sought help from British company, and one treaty was signed between Raghunath Rao and British company, which is Treaty of Surat. Raghunath Rao sought help from British, and one treaty was signed between Raghunath Rao and British, which is Treaty of Surat. And in Treaty of Surat, Raghunath Rao ceded possession of Salsette and Bassein to British company, and in aid of Salsette and Bassein, British company assured Raghunath Rao for help. Salsette and Bashin to company, and company assured for help. Company assured for help to Raghunath Rao. That is why British company interference was started in Maratha dynasty, which was resultant as an first Anglo-Maratha war. British interfered, and that is why first Anglo-Maratha war. And first Anglo-Maratha war was not decisive, so that is why it was concluded in Treaty of Vadgaon. Treaty of Vadgaon. So now we will see Treaty of Vadgaon. From from British company and Maratha, both were agreed to relinquish these territories which were occupied in during war. Relinquish territories. However, after Treaty of Vadgaon, another treaty was concluded, which is called as the Treaty of Salabai. Next treaty was signed, which is Treaty of Shalabai. And in Treaty of Salabai, Maratha agreed to give possession of Salsette to British company. Marathas Salsette to British, and Maratha also agreed to give maintenance for Raghunath Rao. Maintenance to Raghunath Rao. And in average of these provision for Maratha, British company ceded possession of Bassein to Maratha dynasty. British ceded Bassein to Maratha. So this was Treaty of Salabai. So in this discussion, this is enough. We will see further in our next discussion.